Understanding, not the best of, in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, not the best of. This is a common expression in English that can be a bit tricky for learners. So, let's dive in and understand its usage and meaning. The phrase, not the best of, is used to indicate that something is subpar or not as good as it could be. It's a polite way of saying that something is lacking in quality or not up to standard. For example, if someone says, "This is not the best of my work," they mean that the work they are showing is not their finest. In this section, we'll see how not the best of is used in different contexts. 1. Personal performance. I'm not in the best of health right now. 2. Opinions on objects. This isn't the best of the laptops available. 3. Group dynamics. They are not the best of friends. Notice how the phrase subtly changes meaning depending on the context. Let's compare sentences with and without the phrase. Without phrase, this laptop is bad. With phrase, this is not the best of laptops. The second sentence is more polite and less direct. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't overuse it. It's a polite phrase but can become less meaningful if overused. Context matters. Ensure the context is appropriate for a mildly negative connotation. I hope this video has helped clarify the usage of not the best of in English. Remember, it's a handy phrase for expressing dissatisfaction in a polite way. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.